Good morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. So children, in the previous class we have already started a new lesson. It is the lesson number 4. Relaxing is fun. Is it? So we have already explained. I have already explained the lesson. So today we will have a recap of that. So what is relaxation? Yes, a pleasant activity makes you calm and less worried. Okay, a pleasant activity, okay, which makes you calm and less worried. Is it? As I told you before, we cannot work for a continue for a long hours. We all need a break to refresh our mind. Okay, so how can we refresh? How can we relax ourselves? We can relax ourselves by doing which can entertain ourselves. Okay, so by different ways is there for relaxation. Okay, we can entertain during this break. Okay, after a long hours of our work, we can take a break. So during this break, we can entertain ourselves. So how you will entertain yourselves? How you will take a break? You can play, is it? So in games, you can play games. So there are indoor games and outdoor games, is it? So which are, tell me some of the indoor games. Okay, I'll tell you. Chess, carrom, snake and ladder, ludo, like this we have different types of indoor games. You can do that, you can play that. And outdoor activities, outdoor games like cricket, football, badminton, hide and seek. Okay, so like this we have many indoor and outdoor games. So these all games we can entertain ourselves by playing these games. Is it? And how do you entertain? You can read books, story books, comics, and listen to the music, and you can watch. You people will watch cartoons, is it? So what? By watching this, your mind you will get refreshed, is it? You will get entertainment. But we should not continuously watch the TV or play games, is it? So we should have a break after doing our work for a long hours, and after reading for a long hours, we can take a break. We should take a break. Okay, then only our mind will be calm and less worried. Our mind will be refreshed. Okay, our mind and body will get energy to do the next work. Is it? Or else what will happen? You will get tired and you feel bored also if you are continuously sitting and reading for a long hours. Is it? So you can entertain yourself, and you can also cultivate hobbies which you like. Okay, whichever you like, you can cultivate the hobbies also. So during this break you can do that. Okay, so some of them will be like they like for cooking, and some they like to do cycling, skating, swimming. So these all they do for the relaxation. So recreation is the means of relaxation, doing activity to entertain themselves. Is it? So these all will get relaxed for the body also. So even our body should get good rest. Is it? So then only we will be healthy. So which is the natural relaxation for our body? Yes. So by sleeping, the sleeping is the natural relaxation for the body. Okay. So we can go for a picnic also to refresh ourselves, and we can go for a movie, listen to the music, chatting with your friends. Is it not so? We will go to our relative's house. Is it not so? And swimming. So these all makes our body refresh, gives our mind refreshment. So we all need a break. So as I told you in the previous class also, in the school also you all have a timetable. So based on the timetable only we all will function. Is it not so? The school starts at 9 o'clock and it ends at 3 o'clock. So in this between there is no continuous you are sitting and reading for all the 8 hours. 8 periods. No, you have a break. You have a lunch break, and you have a break in between the study. You have PT period. You will be having karate period. All those things. You will be having music period. So these are the break for the study. So these all refresh your mind. Is it? So body healthy. Mind and body makes our mind and body healthy also. We should relax according to that. Okay, so yoga, some may do yoga which gives mind and our body relaxment, is it, which keeps our body healthy also. And you can do exercises in the morning, so which keeps our body healthy. So these all are relaxation which we can give for our body to keep our mind calm. Okay, so these all are the relaxation. So we all must give our body a break also for continuously. We can't do a work for continuous. We need a break, and we should refresh our mind to do our mind and body to do the other work. Okay, children. So the other means of relaxation, what all it is: swimming, as I told you before, swimming, dancing, singing, going for picnic and exercise in the morning, doing yoga, cooking, gardening. So these are the other means of relaxation, how you can relax yourselves to keep your mind calm and less worried. So these are the other means of relaxation, how you can keep your mind calm and less worried. By doing this, even your body will get refreshed. Okay, the body will get energy by doing exercise, yoga, swimming. All those things are, even our body will get energy by doing this, and we will be relaxed. So children like you, what do you like? You like to enjoy the best with your friends, is it? You like to play with your friends, you like to talk to your friends. So these all are the relaxation, how you can entertain yourselves. Okay children, so now here I have finished the explanation of relaxing is fun. Now everyone open your Sparrow textbook. We will write the exercise part of this lesson. Okay children, so be ready with your textbook, pencil, eraser, sharpener. So we will start writing the textbook exercise of this lesson. Okay children. So children, everyone open your Sparrow Sem 1 textbook. Okay, in that page number, first you open page number 196, page number 196. So here first one is, how do you relax? You can write this by your own children. So some they relax by dancing, gardening, cooking. Okay, so this is your wish. For example, I am writing here gardening, Gardening. Okay, so you can write dancing, playing games, listening to music, swimming, skating. So these all, whatever your wish, you can write here. So next, suppose you are going for a school picnic, what things would you carry? Write them down in the space given. Okay, so when you are going for a school picnic, what all the things you have to carry, you will write here. Okay, first thing, okay, you can write water bottle. Okay, water, water bottle. Then you can write snacks, snacks, snacks. Then you can write napkins, napkins, napkins. Then you can write hat. Okay, you can also write sunglasses, glasses, sunglasses. Then you can write extra cloth, extra dress, etc. So these are the main things which you will carry when you are going for a school picnic. Okay. Okay children, so now come to page number 197. Okay, so before that we'll see here revision. So what and all you have learnt in this lesson. We need to relax and refresh after work. Playing, reading, dancing, going out are few ways to relax. Our hobby gives us a lot of refreshment. Our mind gets relaxed by sleeping. We must take healthy means of recreation. Is it not children? So these all we learned in this lesson. So now we will continue writing the exercise part. So the first mean, tick the picture which can be a way to relax. So you can see the pictures here. So we should tick the picture which can be the way to relax, for our relaxation, which the things which we do. So they are the 4 pictures. So there is a picture of swimming, and the children's they are planting, they are the tree plants, and here 2 boys they are fighting, and here they are drawing. So which are the picture that it is the way of relax? Yes, swimming can be a way of relax. Yes or no? We can tick here. And also planting, gardening. What about fighting? We should not do that, is it? We should not fight while you relax. Whether you will do that, whether your mind will be relaxed when you are fighting? No. So this is wrong. And drawing, yes, this is also a way of relaxation. Okay, swimming can be done, gardening can be done, drawing can be done, but we should never fight. We should not fight while relaxing. Is it not children? We should not do this. So next we'll move on to the second main, fill in the blanks. So children, second main, fill in the blanks. First A, entertainment dash our mind. So you can write entertainment refreshes. REFRESHES. Entertainment refreshes our mind. Okay, REFRESHES, refreshes. B, some people exercise too. Some people exercise to relax. RELAX, relax. Third one, dash is important for our mind. So what is important for our mind? Relaxing, is it? So write down RELAXING, relaxing. RELAXING, relaxing is important for our mind. D, dash saves our time and energy. Thus, timetable. TIME, time table. TABLE, timetable saves our time and energy. Okay, if we work according to the timetable, it saves our time and energy. E, it is fun to be with our friends. FRIENDS, friends. Okay, so it is fun to be with our friends. So now we'll move on to the third mean. List any 4 things that you learn at school. Okay, so first one, I learn. You can write, I learn to read and write. READ, read and W-R-I-T-E. I learned to read and write. Next you can write, I learned to sing and dance. I learn, L-E-A-R-N, learn to sing, S-I-N-G, sing and dance, D-A-N-C-E, dance. I learned to sing and dance. Then you can write, I learned to draw and color. I learn to draw, D-R-A-W, draw and color, C-O-L-O-U-R, color. Then what you will learn? Then I learned to play different games. I learn to play, P-L-A-Y, play different, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different games. Okay, so these are some of the 4 things that you learn at school. I learned to read and write. I learned to sing and dance. I learned to draw and color. I learned to play different games. So now we'll move on to the 4th mean. Write Y for work that you do and N for that you do not do. Okay, so we will write Y for the work which you will do and N for the work which you don't do that. Okay, so first one is, I go to a hill station to relax. Yes, this you will do, is it not, children? You will write Y. So you will go to hill station to relax, to refresh. Is it? Y. I fight with my brother to entertainment. To entertain. No, you will not do this. So whether fighting is an entertainment, whether it relaxes your mind? No. So I fight with my brother to entertain. N. You won't do this. Is it? Next. Listening to music and singing are my ways to relax. Yes, you will write Y. So you do. So listening to the music and singing are the ways of relax. Is it? So you can do this, to listen music and singing. I go for horse riding to entertain myself. Yes, even this is also a way of relaxing. You will write Y. I go for horse riding to entertain myself. You will do this, is it? So write Y. I sleep for an hour. No. Whether you sleep for an hour? No. Is it no, children? So you should please sleep for 6 to 8 hours. Is it? So not only for an hour. So you will write here N. Okay, children. So like this you have to fill the exercise part. Okay. So the first mean is, take the picture which can be a way to relax. So you can see some of the pictures here. Which are the ways you will relax? You will do swimming and gardening and painting, but not fighting. Is it not so? We won't fight. This will, whether this fighting makes our mind relax? No, we should not do this. We should not fight. Okay. Then the second mean, fill in the blanks. Third mean, list any 4 things that you learn at school. Then the ways. Okay, write Y for work that you do and N for that you don't do. So these, like this you have to fill the exercises. And here also, so what are the things you carry when you are going for a picnic? You can write this. Okay, children. So like this you have to fill the exercise part of this chapter, this lesson. So here I am going to end the session now, children. In the next session, we will continue writing the classwork part of this lesson. Okay? Thank you.